Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the song Loyal, Brave, and True from Disney's Mulan. As usual, I'll play through the song for you first, and then afterwards I'll explain it to you in more detail. So right now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
War is not freedom over my shoulder. I see a clearer view. All for my family, reason I'm breathing, everything to lose. Should I ask myself in the water, what a warrior to? Tell me underneath my armor, am I loyal, brave, and true? Am I loyal, brave, and true? Losing is easy, winning takes bravery. I am a tiger's fool. Out in the open, no one to save me. Kindest of whispers is cool. Should I ask myself in the water, what a warrior to? Tell me underneath my armor, am I loyal, brave, and true? Am I loyal, brave, and true? Cold is the morning, warm is the dream, chasing the answers till I can't sleep. Will I be stronger? Will I be weak when you're not with me? Who am I without my armor? Standing in my father's shoes. All I know is that it's harder to be loyal, brave, and true. To be loyal, brave, and true.
For this song, we're going to be using chords from the C chord family. So we're going to be using A minor, E minor, F over C, C major, G, and D minor. For the strum pattern, we're going to use the sway strum pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 3 down strums with up strum added after beat 2 and 3. Okay? And we're going to put our emphasis on beat 1. That's going to be our hardest strum on beat 1. So let me just hold the A minor chord, that's the chord the song starts on, and I'm just going to play that strum pattern slowly, and I'm going to count the beats out. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. You want to remember that the only time we're going to play all 6 strings is for the G chord and the E minor chord. Okay, when we play the C chord or the A minor chord or the F over C chord, we want to start our strumming on the A string and not play the low E string. Okay, when we play the D minor chord, we want to start our strumming on the D string and not play the E or A string. So you need to pay attention to that while you're strumming, that you don't hit those particular strings on those chords. All right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.